Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to open a Go2Bank account quickly and safely. First, download the Go2Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Sign Up to start the registration process. Enter your personal information, including full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Create a secure username and password for your account. You may also need to verify your identity by submitting a photo of a government-issued ID and a selfie. Once verified, review and accept the account terms and conditions. After completing the steps, your Go2Bank account will be active immediately. You can now deposit funds, get your Go2Bank debit card, and start using your account for online and in-store payments. Subscribe the channel for more videos.